Alright, today is yet another beautiful day the Lord has given unto you, and I able share the kwans mami channel me mo akwa abasronko emfa omra possible multimedia. So any day kwans social news my say FDA so and I say platform way so mama why aware say anytime any day a menu mienu e be shame e platform way so na e kire say amayon semo a e twa gu we man konkron Ghana mu e bi adropo e na osonfo Francis Sàçk aka possible Medi nsem nechi akwa hwe no kwani bia medi bi eba besum mpempem amenu ka say de menu mienu na ya we say aka just some few months na nyakopon ayado ma 7th December ama wo ene me abom akwa gina ballot box no na ato aba e de yi panin kra ya yesusu say obetumi aboa ama yaman Ghana asanfa no ntuma pa efura enu ntina ma various political parties no obi aye wado ototo nyoma yi na mpempem amenu ka say de utwa wani ekopie mu ewo Amenfi Central Constituency and not say information I RHS and nature say NDC MP or hono direct from EC Omo ankasa ahwemu ehun nyoma ba ko mienu miense bia ensem fatan MP obeye intino enam so ama mpempe ameno ka say de ya disqualify no a sisi ameno ka say de ehwo de NPP for esusu say Amenfi Central ehode automatically Jonas Kasa and I said Jonas Brof automatically ababeye wom esit ebusia as to how it all happened no information ni na etwa so me person me kasa be tenten no eni ekwan social news my say aha no ye ni atem ya dwen na ye kire obi ebusa say na asie Amenfi Central Constituency kra wan kra na ote so and I say MP be na ote so ni din ede Joanna Jan Kujo yes ono sa woman no and I say ye maame no edin na pop up say easy for a disqualify no me pese me kasa be tenti no eni de kwan so kame ho na enkonkoje nsem ni mu nchemu ni wie na bibi eche wadwen a feel free na che wadwen comment section no asenya kopon insha yina
Yanya edia free Electoral Commission of Ghana so ye ne say NDC's parliamentary candidate for Amenfi Central Joanna Jankujo she has been disqualified from representing the National Democratic Congress as a parliamentary candidate in this year's 2024 election. Adiyama asemi ye hu ni say the incumbent MP for Amenfi Central, Peter Yakwachiaka, onu elusu sa abato na course no parliamentary primaries no elusu to Joanna Jankujo. Enti ehwo bufo nti Peter Yakwachiaka wa file as an independent candidate already at the Electoral Commission office. Ama Electoral Commission agin nkata nyina tuma enei incumbent MP for Amenfi Central on the ticket of the NDC Peter Yakwachiaka is going as an independent candidate. And now no akasa nipa na wono win the parliamentary elections no ye Joanna Jankujo no so no court actually krata dia come Electoral Commission say so dan so enu nti ontumi nyina e ma yento no so aba. Now another interesting revelation is that November 10th ya the Electoral Commission actually their command all political parties say or printing notice of post. And today, in fact, a jankasa and a good the National Democratic Congress a or more party office ya a war Amenfi Central jankasa and a dem. Now, Electoral Commission chimwa they received an order of interlocutory injunction a second high court in the case of Jedu Frimpong and 4 others versus Joanna Jankujo, the NDC and the Electoral Commission. Now, according to the Electoral Commission, the court ordered a restraining Joanna Jankujo from presenting herself as the duly elected NDC parliamentary candidate for Amenfi Central until the final determination of the matter. Again, court documents restrains the NDC from recognizing Joanna Jankujo as their parliamentary candidate. The court orders also restrains the Electoral Commission from affording her any right or privileges as the parliamentary candidate of the NDC in Amenfi Central. Tinacha said, "Enye krata ketwa." And according to the Electoral Commission, in that letter, as stated say one, the first defendant, that is Joanna Jankujo, cannot hold herself out as duly elected NDC parliamentary candidate for the Amenfi Central Constituency. And again, she cannot be recognized or afforded any right or privileges as the duly elected NDC parliamentary candidate for the Amenfi Central Constituency. The Electoral Commission chiremwa san sema kese mienu nti no the Electoral Commission of Ghana ebetumi agina so. Hence, omo disqualify Joanna Jankujo from standing as a candidate for election to parliament in the Amenfi Central Constituency. Very, very interesting. Now, adekodienti na ikata free second high court ama Electoral Commission ahye won se omo enforce the court can say Joanna Jankujo is facing charges a criminal offense. 1. She presented 2 different voter ID numbers. Ebra na failing the force as parliamentary candidate for the NDC ewa Amenfi Central. Voter ID to obey. Joanna Jankujo nko akura mienu. Mienu na akura ni nyina akura 2 different numbers. Hence, it can be determined as a criminal offense because according to Ghana Mra, nipa baaku ntumi hold 2 voters ID card with 2 different numbers. Now, interestingly, nipa a file case editia Joanna Jankujo court. Efa ichire ekoye hwehwemu no. One of the voter ID numbers belongs to Edia Yefreno Mohammed Bala. But Joanna Jankujo ewo photocopies of all these 2 voter IDs are the picture bosso. But the dia ewo Electoral Commission and kratemu with that voter ID number no eye Mohammed Bala baako. And the second one also eye Joanna Jankujo but enya Amenfi Central eye Bantama. Meanwhile, the voter IDs states that Joanna Jankujo eto aba ewa Amenfi Central. But nipa nan yi ya omo petition the second high court ditia Joanna Jankujo no omo fa ekire no. Documents a Electoral Commission chire say those voters IDs were registered at the Bantama constituency. But the photocopies presented by Joanna Jankujo show that they were voters IDs registered at Amenfi Central. And she's being charged for criminal offense at the court. And nunti and a court to just said there be such an offense there yen to me kwine e masa any pay and to me and represent your constituency me enko man debi until the determination of the matter by the secondary high court disqualify her and I'm the Electoral Commission agina so at disqualify Joanna Jankujo. Now yes let me chip in this interesting fact. Joanna Jankujo uko Amenfi Central omo friend Ghana Aisha Juan galamse wurade nyankopon uko na Joanna Jankujo pan gina chamfan ho himu a China ni yawo ne Shanghai according to me him sa chamfan yesa mami na oni delay eko grant an interview a waka say won start galamse adwuma no class 5 na waye galamse sa dia besidi ye needie wasanya dwetre kro de tutogo it is this same woman we are talking about. It is this same woman and barely a month ago NDC's running mate Professor Jenna Nopokwajaman Bowra Amenfi Central kopeja ne nsade kire the good people of Amenfi Central ejina ho kan say omunya de omubetu galamse ase ne etu galamse ase ochina na omo ba kire won kwan ye obetumi afaso aye galamse no a ensa yensu wonsuwa ene ye nkwaye mami na ne gina Professor Jenna Nopokwajaman chi to onu galamse no what say wa widri wo mu ankasa. This is the woman we are talking about, Joanna Jankujo. Enti ne yehwe anamonfofra the National Democratic Congress ebetu edia fasa asemi because the incumbent MP said American is running as an independent candidate in the same constituency. Ya nei omo parliamentary candidate omo nso na be represent omo Electoral Commission through court order are disqualified. The incumbent MP's name is Peter Yaw Kwachi Aka. Interesting times ahead. Emira akai ya AC ever publish notice of post no close bibia yehwe anamawa the National Democratic Congress ebetu edi afasa ansem ye nei e free Electoral Commission asoye ababeda the party. Ti ye ne de akire Amenfi Central ye ne de akire de ebesi bia no we will not hesitate. See ye de bebre ye tifo na e was enfufuru
corporate na kwame ya contesting every section and every article of their constitution. 2/3 2/3 of the presidential constitution na ye ka ho asem na sana uko India, the India constitution kwame ya contesting every single section our India constitution, including the back cover of the constitution. It is a kwame issue be say ba na say Ewura Afenyo Market, who is also a lawyer, the majority leader.
Yes.
Let's all say what they call quarter. I call interpretation. I call me a boy in now will be who is put next level.
Yeah.
Now a boy may suya de. They make what
yeah.
But Kwame, let me tell you something. Though he's taking it to a Supreme Court, for me, meaning say the MPP are just doing this to hold on to the majority.
Okay.
But Kwame, the president and the section that's the Article 97 clause G, no, Kwame, yeah. Clear. And the same president. And now Kwame, you Andrew Asiama. I have listened to Professor Michael Kwe.
Okay.
What he was saying, you know, people didn't get him. And you're the same president, Kwame, there's nothing that you can do about it. There shouldn't be election in 3 months to the by election, 3 months to the election.
Yeah.
Good. So a do that time necessary. Yes, this is the president. Law ne catch us say party ne do ba bam no. Tell you party ne do ba bam no. Say o person we seeking for re-election. Nessa what damn piece our political party no. Na confer different political party. You don't have to still sit. Parliament. I have a problem with this section. No? Embrace him no. Yeah, embrace him.
Okay.
Because that time need to know. You don't have the reason why Andrew Asiama finally independent. You understand?
Yeah.
And he was asked to stay away, humiliated. Kwame. So yes. So Kwame, why do we have to take this to a Supreme Court? The law is clear. The reason why Professor Wayo said mudia oka hwasebi Abraham Kofi Asante mudia your friend say omo mawudie Talensi by election, Chirepone by election, Boko Central by election, Adamu second and all that. The reason is simple, Kwame. Say who parliament say moment abe crosso carpet no say Kwame would do adwuma to ho. Wakonya to ho na eye vacant and say ebia na me NDC ni.
Yeah.
Na mako bantama ko primaries. Na ma wini. So on the BJ. Me wini ya because minim obia minim se bantama na Kwame. Me jurisdiction constitutionally and my right to become a member of parliament no eye bantama nko ba be pese me call parliament. Bantama me di NDC a me pa my ideology no e de call bantama emfa. Etienne ma menya me hu LPP ni me renew primaries no a me call parliament and ma renounce na me call NDC in order say California sade no enu tin ye de sa ayi ne buy no clauses ne buy sessions ne buy including the 3 months before the election yentimi nya by election it wow person we seeking for re-election the moment Albert Tampa and not be changing the complexion of a political party that brought you. Kwame, you need to
vacate your seat.
Kwame, it's simple like ABCD.
Unambiguous.
Kwame, it's simple like ABCD. Where a new class here, who be Kwame, media metromasi, Jamaica.
Yeah.
Now, in any case, Madam Cynthia Morris, Nishu Yabe, Kwame, Obia also co-independent. My 50, me co-independent. Hakbero Uswajiman, Honorable Hakbo Uswajiman, Council of Elders, Chairman of the Council of Elders. Obia the Nimu Nyam say, Obia Nimu do say, a heavyweight a new patriotic party. And a Mamena Kasa, Mamena Cement Tiasie, Mamenu Kodi Alan Chamatiachi, Alan, Equate, the party and the movement. Anna, what Jampu Kodi Canada Japochi. She was campaigning with Canada Japan and Mr. Canada Japan. After my man say, Madam, Jaidia Woyano, near move on as a party. My minenti. After no match on the same region as a majority leader. afeno ma ka akawantie e de na ma hu ni say if you hold on to the majority in parliament say animanimu ya if there should be a crucial bill Kwame now here majority ma me beto am they make if I'm making sense e de na fi say madam ne beto am
there is no assurance
so there's no way Kwame esi so sa no ma we say so mumie create history kakra 3 months to the election Kwame say e dane adachi manya bia ka kire me ma na Kwame yen ka say me ka say 1 minute e ma be meduma yen ka say me fan kire your members of parliament and your politicians e be ye greedy too much
power ni your model
e be ye greedy too much
Kwame there one your model che bibia
Mr. Peter ya kwachi
aka
Kwame e de pa na ope Kwame
yes man
e de pa na papa we say ope Kwame yen ka bi kire
NDC ni
e de na ope
obeso ye
etu odu no nya NPP ni
odimra she bi
me ba Kwame
yes
no nya NPP ni
no nya NPP ni
o carry here no nya NPP ni wan ko NPP promise
wa ko NPP no
and olusu ya me boa wo se cheat ni me boa and o ko NDC for ni di bone
there be
ye de be ye district chief executive me boa 2012 me boa
Mahama wini
ya me boa
yeah
and now odi DC na ton ho ade akọ wini promise after wini election
yeah
twice in parliament e bia na party nyama eti na uko promise na lusu a e di pa na se okoya ho se asa me pesa party ne hwe form I don't get it
ase ma me ne nto aba ho
so what
ana wo de na beshem na waba be ye party card wafa kwa bi so be party card ana waba be
greedy ma me ka some draw
greediness na any
what greediness why we ye member of parliament akuta register I don't get it ebina mamle Cynthia Morris na dia o ye bi no tiase we a member of parliament we dia nya anduasia ma dia ni bi anduasia ma dia na we to me share that cover register no esesa no special me tunu because of wala we dia ni different you compare the register in 2020
when register no more no me yo
branch
executives
yes branch executive akade no no na ye Cynthia Morris register no na ye
ebu abo
party na mo aba be ye gender minister for 4 years Kwame Kwame woni papa yo betra ha Mr. Isi
yeah
emo ye ka se emfa man kofo ho asamba ye tell radio si defend wo Kwame what be your member of parliament twice and dia na ope because the reason is say the person me developing be developing me constituency me nwie e dia na chese wa member of parliament I want me develop constituency I don't get it momie sue bibi kakra yenya tema kakra fama ya political parties na kwam yenya greedy enye yenko ananimdie ni nyansa bo ye tirim
greedy no ho
greedy ni too much too much
am so mo mbo bia ma
Amenfi dia yi kwa me de aye metan ni kwa de ba kope
and Amenfi dia wo hwe
aye metan too much
na arebo Asiedu Nketia mu nyina akoho
come here is so bad
fifi kwete ne ayi national executive si bebre akoho wo
edia kwa me dia etidia na waya unwie ye age yi ntimi meto aso edia na kwa me waya mo aye soronko a
enso before wo be na George Atta wo ho
I no obi wo ho na abetu no
George Atta no kasa magana for tene nka George Atta
ba George Atta kwa no Kwame ya form so hu issue kra by wo kwa e go favor
yes man
that story ni na Kwame nya na ne me constituency bia bobodi bia no I know what is happening there from the day since inception 1992
ya di achi
ada na mo yesa obi di minister we di minister ne sa ababe dia apu akọ promise and farmer no ne akoye kokwasa bi me pesa party no ho kira no na ye dai politics obi ba mafia it is part of it
obi ade ne brekra na rafem
you could asem bia waka what ya kwese kodu Justin Kodu I don't get it
why no
Mamle Morrison
was so Kodu ande
was Justin Kodu Afrimpon ena onsa boy no kotu no
yeah
boy ni the right hand man on na namu na kora on na nam ena boy no why ye office cherio boy ni why ye office no Kodu na ye aduma
yes man
lawyer Justin Kodu na ye aduma ena Mamle fi say Kodu na ama boy ni sika say omda metu because no why ye I don't get it but me wa una compile register no mafia tactics na
makawa ha and I want to repeat it enye nkrofo de but facts are sacred. So MPP mu